guys, welcome to, what is my channel called? Oh, Kylie's World. Okay, never mind. Hi guys, welcome to Kylie's World. If y'all want some of the best and easiest tomato soup you've ever had in your life, that I promise you will not give you heartburn, I lower the acidic level of it, check out my recipe. You're going to start by cutting up all your vegetables, your tomatoes, your onions, your garlic. You're going to cut all this up, then you're going to put it on a tray like this, and you're going to season it up real good. I'll include that in the recipes. Here I have butternut squash and tomato. Butternut squash will be another video. Same concept though. Then you're going to throw it in the oven. I forgot to show it. So here's an oven. And then it's going to come out of the roaster looking like this. It's going to be a little charred. That's good. You're going to mix it with some chicken broth. And again, the recipe will be included in the comments and in the right below the video. Let it cool off, but use an emulsion blender. I obviously did not let it cool off. Or you can put it in a blender. I added some cream here, which is optional. And then I was out of half and half, so I used a cup of heavy cream. Enjoy. You can also check out other recipes at Kylie's World. I also talk about food and its benefits. Check it out.